Let's suppose we have 50 people to begin with who've got the flu. And the rate of infection is 12%, so that means every day, let's say every day, the number of people being infected by the flu increases by 12%. And I want to work out how many people are we expecting to get the flu within 4 days. Right. So what we do is we use that as 50 to begin with. Rate of infection is 12%, and number of days is 4. So what we do is replace these numbers in the formula. B is 50, rate of infection is 12%. We want to know how many people will get infected after 4 days. To the power, there's a power button there. We can round that, we'll just say 79. We expect 79 people to be infected after 4 days. Right, this is very similar to bank interest. Let's suppose I'll start off with £1,000 in the bank. I put £1,000 in the bank pays 3% interest. How much money will I have in the bank after 7 years? So begin with 1,000. Right, remember, compare it with this. We start with 50 people, but here we're starting with £1,000. The interest is 3%, but here the rate of infection, was 12%. Here is 3% interest. Two different things, both percentages. And we want to know how much money we'll have in the bank after 7 years. And here I want to know how many people would get infected after 4 days. Remember, that's the rate of infection every day. So the number of people being infected by the flu goes up by 12% every day. But here I want to know how much money I'll have after 7 years. It pays 3% interest every year. And you do that, you put that in the calculator and you'll get your amount. And previous videos, what I've shown you is, I wrote this in a simpler way. I said this is 1,000, begin with 1,000, multiplied by, that's going to be 1.03. Remember that's 0.03? 0.03, so that'll be 1.03 to the power of 7. So you begin with £1,000, pay 3% interest. You want to know how much you'll have in the bank after 7 years.